ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke berpau baha ke Khot admission nak kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kolai kini ke number harum. Deputy Commissioner Jingkulmar District Arpit Upadhyay hagalai tarik ujliu arajar pusau lolum de Jingïalang yang baru kinong mikmat jing Seng Saiñpyrthei kemudian hatem riboy shisngi shwa ka singi nyo vote banyakran nak kebenta ban penne isong sok chongsan baban omi kedu-kedu ke huri hura ha ka singi nyo vote keban long ha ka sau tarik ujliu arajar pusau. Haga Jingïalang berpenlong ha office rekam jong Deputy Commissioner ladan langru returning officer ki ARO ki observer ki he pulit keriboy bat kiwe.
Meeting was called in the presence of all the counting supervisors, all the AROs and the political parties, and the purpose of this meeting was to brief the political parties about various rules of the counting, the protocols of counting, and to clear their doubts whatever if they are having. So the meeting has been concluded very successfully. Whatever they have asked certain doubts, it has been cleared. The mandates of ECI, the requirements of various forms that are to be signed, the procedure of counting has been explained, and again the one appeal has been made to maintain the law and order for after tomorrow's, after the results tomorrow, and they have been briefed about section 144 which is there, and regarding this the meeting has been concluded on this.